Hi, my name is Joanne McGinley, and I'm the co-founder and owner of Grassroots Fitness here in Vienna, Virginia. Over the years, my clients have asked me to create classes for their high school athletes so they can come into those fall sports in their peak physical condition. So this gave me the opportunity to start Explosive Sports Conditioning. This is going to be sessions in July, twice a week, where the students can come in and they are going to significantly improve their overall fitness. And we're going to do that through teaching them proper mechanics so they can increase that lateral and multi-directional speed as well as that first step quickness and acceleration. It's important that we help improve their agility, balance, flexibility, and endurance. Every session, we will focus on proper mechanics and correct form to prevent injuries, while improving core and overall body strength. So join me as we get your high school athlete in their top peak physical condition at Explosive Sports Conditioning this summer.